Did you see that?
Yeah. But this time, just shut up and follow me. We really gotta get out of here. No complaining this time.
All right.
Are you scared?
What? No. I mean, it is a little dark. Hey, there are no spiders down here, right? Or like robot spiders? Oh, please don't let there be robot spiders. This it?
In here.
Hello? Catbot? A rope snare? What are you? Cartoon character?
So that's where the magic happens, huh? My name is Peppermint.
Wait, that voice! You're the cat!
808 is my eyes and ears out there. But it looks like she's taken a liking to you.
Wait, okay, she's yours! She's yours!
Get up, slacker. We've got work to do.
So, 808 said you were gonna help me get out of here.
I am. Right after you help me look into Spectra.
I don't even know what that is.
Don't expect you to. This is whistleblower level.
So... bad?
Yes. And I'm working with a team to expose them. We're small, but...
Small meaning just you and your cats? I'm bigger than this.
Says Rockstar here. Do you even actually play guitar?
Well...
Figures. I'll talk. Look, this campus is a maze of hallways, lifts, and dead ends, filled with security. You'll need my help to get out of here.
Nah, so far I've done pretty...
Horrible if it wasn't for me? Look, if you help me, I'll make sure you get off Vandalay Island.
Fine. Whatever, I guess.
Perfect.
This is your hideout? You really are a small operation.
Well, now we're +1. You can rest on that sofa.
Luxury suite, I see.
By the way, I may be able to help you out with some upgrades if you have some spare parts. Let's chat before we head out. I'm not the master of Vandalay tech, but with some gears, I may be able to give you a bit more fight.
More fight? Can you be more specific?
I set up a shop for you. Here you can learn new attacks. You can use them just by buying them. Here's your chance to learn new special attacks. Each attack requires a certain amount of reverb gauge, so make sure you have enough before buying. Also, special attacks need to be equipped. You can't just use them all.
I see. So I'll just slot in my attack, and I'm good to go.
And finally, here are items for some permanent upgrades.
What's this?
I've got an idea for something, but let's just say it's still in pre-pro.
How are you doing all this with gears?
Don't underestimate me. I can do more than you think.
All right. Let me see what you got. You could have easily left me alone back there. Why'd you help me out?
Besides helping out 808? Well, what you did to security was impressive, to say the least.
You mean you thought you could use me?
Well, I wouldn't put it like that.
I would.
Look, it's a bit complicated.
Hey, I don't care. As long as you get me off this island, we're square. So, 808, huh? You made it yourself?
Normally you just make a spy drone, but I thought, hey, no one suspects a cat.
Actually, a robot cat is even more suspicious here than a drone.
Whatever. On the plus side, there's some companionship.
Seems like it can get pretty lonely down here.
I'm used to it.
Loner hacker girl with a mysterious past. Not cliche at all.
Slacker who's finally got his time to shine? I could say the same for you.
Kinda sparse here. Not a fan of decorating?
I like to focus on the basics, what we need.
Come on! You could have posters, a stereo, a drum kit in the corner. You could have a kick-ass pad here.
This is an operation, not a hangout.
Doesn't mean it can't be both.
Well, I'll leave the feng shui up to you.
Man, what have I gotten myself into? Well, at least it'll be a cool story to tell in 5 years. Normally not a cat guy, but I'm digging this. Okay, ready when you are, Peppermints. What's the grand plan?
All right, check this out. Mission report. So this Spectra program is, like I said, top secret. And only the top brass of the company have info on it.
Why are you so worried? Spectra could be anything.
Let's just say someone on the inside gave me a hot tip.
Sure, whatever.
Anyway, we're gonna go back up to the production facility. Using my skills and your powers, we break into the production head's office. That's Rekka. And with our luck, she's busy cleaning up your mess at QA and won't be there. We access her computer, steal the files on Spectra, and get out.
Cool. I wasn't listening, but sounds quick and easy.
Great. While you're away, I can sync up with your tech through 808. Might figure out some new tricks for you.
What? You aren't coming?
On a mission this dangerous? I'm not that stupid. I'll leave that to you.
All right. Wait, are you implying... I'm here, baby.
Who are you talking to?
Huh?
Just head to Rekka's office. You can see it up there.
Pretty high up.
You'll have to head through the main production building, but I'll be your guide. Try to keep a low profile.
Come on, 808. Let's have some fun.
Can't believe you got a drink out of that thing. If you hit the machine just right, it won't eat your credits. Take it from a master like me.
Hey, there's Kale! And that's, what's her name? The old Vandalay boss.
Roxanne Vandalay? Are you serious, Chai? She built the company from the ground up. Know your history.
Jeez, wanted to yell.
Just give credit where it's due. There goes our low profile.
Come on, this is more fun. And as long as Rekka doesn't...
Attention! Rekka here! That defect was spotted in my building! I'm hoping none of you jump security get it, so I can rip them apart, piece by piece.
Oh, sounds juicy.
I thought you said she wouldn't be here.
I thought you said this was more fun.
give me such unrealistic goals? They want me to lift the big boxes with these tiny hands.
Whoa, a lot going on here.
Guy, bad news for your pride, but you won't make that jump.
Any ideas?
808 is feeding me info on your arm. It's magnetic, right? You should be able to hook onto that point.
Whoa! That was awesome!
Please note, apparently we're supposed to look out for a, music.
Hey, Chai, use your magnet on the enemies to close in on them.
Out of my way! It's mine.
Whoa there, big guy!
Defect spotted on the main floor. Get there!
Chai, at least find a back route, maybe?
Well, looks like a path up through there. Good. And this will be cool to hang up in the hideout.
Oh, hello there. I can feel a very special attraction between you and I.
Yeah. What is it this time?
Your magnet. It gets you where you need to go and fast. But it also attaches very easily to Vandalay security robots. Need to get in close to an enemy? Use the magnet. Also, if you manage to knock an enemy into the air, the magnet will bring you up to them quickly. What an amazing piece of technology!
Dude, this arm was made for picking up garbage.
That's not what it looks like from here.
Hey there, Chai.
Whoa! How'd you do that?
Figured you might need some help out in the field. I hacked these terminals and can send you some upgrades from here.
Nice. Peppermint, this spectrum thingy? What's that about?
Spectra. Our informant sent me code implying it's an AI. Apparently hidden in all Vandelay's Project Armstrong robotic parts.
And what makes you so worried?
My source said that Vandelay never kept a project under wraps like that before. There's red flags all over this.
What? You have me running around on some dark web hunch?
I trust my sources.
You're sounding even more suspicious than Vandelay.
Ugh, Chai, just...
You know what? Don't care. I'm out of here after this anyway.
And that's when I taught Wrecker everything she knows about production.
Your tales are nothing but lies.
Shh, like you would know. You just clean the floor. Hey, I'm working here!
More lies.
Ow! Ooh!
Looks like fun.
At the risk of stating the obvious, Please do not walk under the press machines when in use. I can't believe I even have to say this.
You can just tell how much Mimosa hates Corsica. Yeah, congratulating every department but security in her Armstrong email. That's a corporate slap in the face.
You're not getting out of here. You're on lockdown and getting the smackdown.
down over here. Peppermint, this is where you come in?
Hold up, Chai. See that door? Might be able to bypass security on that one. It's a rough route, though. Lot of stairs.
You know what? I like exciting. This looks like more fun.
You don't even know where this rail goes!
Chill out! It'll be fine!
Oh yeah? Well, look ahead!
Admit it, Peppermint! You wish you were doing this!
Actually, no. Also, looks like you've been spotted.
That's as far as you go!
Tuck and roll, Chai.
What? Well, I'm, somewhere.
We're actually pretty close to Rekka's office now.
See? I told you it'll work out.
I've seen some good work and some bad foes in my time. And I must say, I'm impressed you are still alive, lad.
What are these? Electric barriers? Come on.
Thought this might come in handy. You ready for this, Chai?
Ready for what? Turn, Peppermint!
Let's go!
Whoa! How did you...
Just a bit of temporal displacement. Kinda complicated. Not your lingo, but one of 808's hidden features.
You could have been here this whole time?
Didn't think you needed me, Mr. Confident.
Pick it up!
Try this out. Doesn't look like you can make this jump. But see that switch?
Let me guess.
Yep, call me in. I can activate those for you.
Ugh, you sound like a video game tutorial. Peppermint, come on!
Come on!
up!
Need help?
Here we go!
Go get him, Shy.
Looks like somebody got an upgrade.
My time to shine. I can overload those enemy barriers, you know. Just call me in. You didn't expect it.
More of them?
Try this out.
Better than expected.
Of course it did. I was there.
Whoa, this door looks suspicious. Any idea how to get in?
That's weird. It's not on any map. But it doesn't seem like it's important right now. We can come back to it later.
Peppermint!
Let's go!
Try this out! Peppermint, come on!
Light 'em up!
Analyzing your skills, and it seems like someone has altered your abilities. Have you felt any side effects? Like someone temporarily...
Yeah.
Well, it seems very useful. You can pull this, Peppermint. I can even tell this. Your battles seem ripe with possibilities.
Yeah, but it's...
I can tell. It looks like using it takes a bit out of you. You'll need to just take care of yourself.
Your turn.
Yeah! Need help?
This thing again?
Call me in or use your magnet to get close to him.
Power core! Try this out!
Let's go!
Here we go!
Light him up!
Your turn.
Don't
Peppermint, come on!
try this out.
Try this out!
Let's go!
Peppermint, come on! Try this out!
Light him up!
Peppermint, your turn. Your turn, Peppermint!
Go get him, Chai.
Peppermint, come on!
Don't
Peppermint!
come on!
Peppermint, your turn.
Yeah!
Here we go.
Don't Pep up, Chai. We're almost there.
Oh, well, I guess your whole get to Rekka's office without her knowing plan is shot.
Thanks to you!
Hey, who is doing all the hard work here?
It wouldn't be so hard if you just listened to me to begin with.
For all workers who haven't yet entered the lottery for Armstrong Festival tickets, now's your chance. You won't want to miss this show.
These pigeons are the source of my discontent. I desire assistance in ridding of them from my cleaning area.
Think you can help out, Peppermint? Peppermint!
Light 'em up!
Pigeons are too far. Displace anger.
Well, this is it.
Just play it cool.
I know this may get me in trouble, but I think that is the love of my life right there. Oh.
Current waiting time for appointment with Rekka is 3 months. You're free to have a seat until then.
Pretty quiet. Not suspicious at all.
Introducing
You want to be successful? You want to be productive? Then you gotta be aggressive. And when a defect punk like you wants to run out of here, you're just asking for it.
Asking for what exactly?
You disrespecting me? That's it. The gloves are coming off.
I can see that. What was your plan for this, Peppermint?
I don't know. Fight?
You're paying me double for this.
But I'm not paying you anything.
Hey! I'm the main show here! So let's get ready to crumble. Woo! Come on!